Okay, everybody, when I say go, we're gonna have some fun together and sing my song. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Yes, sirree, that's me, that's me. That's what I'm cracked up to be. I chop a hole in every tree. Knock on wood. Knock on wood. So I'm crazy. What can I do? I ask you. Ooh, a notification. Okay, let's see what I got today. Oh boy, it's from Willie. Hey guys, come with me to see the Digimon movie starts in 10 minutes. 10 minutes? I'm okay. I hope Woody hurries. I'm getting all worried about him. Look out below! Huh? Woody? Okay, stop all the wacky-looking footage. I'm freaking okay! We gotta get ready for the film! There's nothing better than a screen, and it's really good. And wait a minute, I've seen that before. What the? Oh no, it's the sound system promo! Everybody run!
Shut up, Woody. Nobody's running. I like the thing.
Thank goodness that's all over. Yeah, I almost got a heart attack.
Shut up, Woody. I'd rather be thrown in a fire than listen to him.
At least the premiere is about to start. Oh boy! Wait, what? No! No! Relax, Lily. It's not like it's the end of the world. Why is this even happening? Relax, Lily. I'm gonna go to the Fox studio and give them a piece of my mind. Hey, you, Fox! And then they gave me a piece of their mind. And then the movie's about to start. That's all because I'm running out of ideas to put in here, so bye-bye.